Now you've decided the height of your fence, and after checking out the photo gallery, you probably have a good idea of what layout may work best for you and your family. The layout and placement of your fence should allow you to enjoy your pool just like you normally would. And when it's not time to swim, the fence is there to do its job, keeping the little ones safe and away from the water. For more details and layout ideas tailored for your yard, be sure to download our Installation Quick Guide from the Knowledge Base on our website. It's packed with tips to help you plan the perfect setup. According to ASTM requirements, your pool safety fence should be installed no closer than 20 inches from the water's edge. While 20 inches meets the standard, a little extra space may make your swim time much more enjoyable. Here's a pro tip: leaving space inside the fenced area for lounging would be a wise idea. To help plan the best layout for your yard, try using chalk to draw lines on your deck where your fence will go. Remember, your fence doesn't have to follow the exact shape of the pool. In fact, a simple straight line is often easiest to install and can create a cleaner look. Wider sweeping turns are also a nice option if you choose. And if your layout does require sharp turns, no worries. We'll go over how to handle those a bit later in this calculator. And you can always refer to our Installation Quick Guide for more detailed instructions. Once you finalize the layout, measure the lines you've chalked on your deck with the tape measure. It's common that your layout will pass through a planter or a small patch of grass. This part of the fence will require cement footers and PVC sleeves. The PVC sleeves will be calculated and added to your order. Our YouTube video, How to Install Pool Fence in Grass, will guide you through this process.